Hello, dear students. This is regarding how to make notes. Okay. However, best notes a teacher is giving, the best notes can be made by you students. So, one thing when I talk about making your own notes is whenever you start a chapter, keep first two pages as blank and write all the points what you are seeing as different in each and every problem, whether it is costing, it is accounts, it is income tax, whatever points you learn in that topic, you can write it one by one. When you write it in your own handwriting, you actually learn it also, right? So this is very important. And link up the subjects. Of course hard work is there, but now here the smart work is, for example, when you are studying bonus and right shares in accounts, that's the same bonus and right shares you are studying in the company law, and that is the same bonus and right shares which you are doing in income tax capital gain chapter. So take a pause when you are studying one thing. Can you correlate all the three things in your mind and remember it? When you are studying add and less of income tax, that's the same kind of add and less you do for cash flow statement. That's the same add and less you do for managerial remuneration, right? So link up, make your own notes. I know some of my students who are now qualified CAs and forget about a notebook and a long book. They have taken a sketchbook and they have prepared all the flowcharts, and that is the best way to study. You have got enough time now, and that will really help you to revise in brief one day before the exam or 1 month before the exam. And when you are solving all the questions of ICA or CMA study material, practice manual, scanner, write same as third, not to be done, very easy, very tough. Just look at the sixth adjustment. These are the scribblings which should be done in your material, so that next time when you are doing a second revision in September, it should be clear to you what you are studying. Okay, so those who are studying in final, 6 months, 7 months to go, and you add a degree in front of your name. Those who are in inter, they will go to the last stage of the qualification. And foundation students whom I am teaching right now, and if you know any students, tell them when I am teaching consignment, isn't it the lower version of the branch accounting? And when you learn branch accounting in the inter, isn't it just same as its higher version, the consolidation of the companies? So there's a hierarchy which goes. When you know normal loss and abnormal loss, you apply it in AS2, you apply it in costing, you apply it in process costing, you apply it in inventory chapter. So look at the similarity and study overall, right? I hope these small tips are helping you. All the best, and see your vision 2021 January. Bye bye.